Hello everyone. Uh, Welcome to Python for Beginners playlist. It was created by me, Sheikh Wasif Al Hasib. If you are new to the programming and looking for deep dive into the world of Python, and you have come to the right place. And this playlist is designed to guide you through essential of Python programming step by step. In this playlist, you will start with basic of Python, including variable data types, operators, control flow, and so on. I will go through each concept and providing clear explanation with practical example along the way. As you progress, you will learn about the functions, modules, data structure, file handling, object-oriented programming in Python. As you flow with me in this playlist, you will also gain insight into the best practices, tips, and tricks that will help you write clean and efficient Python code. I am working with DevOps team last few years. By this time, I learned a lot of tools like Ansible, Terraform, Javix, ELK, Parcona, Bash scripts, Python, and Golang. And also, I have an experience to working with Kubernetes and Docker, and also Git and GitLab CI/CD. If your goal is to work as a DevOps engineer, then in that case, this is the right course for you, because as a DevOps engineer, you must need at least one or two languages for automation, such as in case of Ansible. If you know the Python, that will be much better for you to write your custom modules. And since most of the server in the world is Linux based, so it is better to also learn a Bash script. For Windows, I recommend you to learn PowerShell. So because I am recommended those, because I know how important that is. So I recommend you to learn Bash script, Python, and those are the tools what I mentioned here, such as Ansible, Terraform, Javix. Javix is monitoring tool. ELK is also monitoring tool. Parcona is another monitoring tools. So those are the tools you have to learn. And by this time, you have to learn some language and scripting language such as Bash script and Python language that will help you a lot for automation. So join with us and join with Wasitech Learning and subscribe my channel and get ready to unlock the power of Python. In this tutorial, I will go through all the topics in Bangla. So if anyone interested in English, please do comments. If you are interested in English, then I will make another video for those users who are interested in English. So thanks a lot. Let's start.